Hey there, my name is Tim Lee. Welcome to my Draw Too Much channel, where I draw an awful lot and teach tutorials about caricatures. Taking a little break from the caricatures to show you guys a couple drawings that I did while I was away in Florida on a Christmas vacation with my wife. My wife and I had a lot of fun. We dressed up on Christmas Day in tandem uniform, if you will. We both had t-shirts. One said, I'm the cute elf, and the other one says, I'm the funny elf. Thankfully, I was the funny elf, even though I'm pretty cute. And we had matching pants, and my wife and I found some funny hats. And I just really enjoyed that memory and that moment. And since this vacation was so freeing to kind of do what I wanted, I decided I was going to draw this moment up and try and make a fun little graphic of her and I dressed up in these little get-ups. And one of the things that was fun to do was to draw the designs on the t-shirts and on the pants by actually drawing them separately in the same graphic, just hiding all the images I had drawn, and then draw them full screen so that they're nice high resolution, and then shrinking them down to fit. And it was a really, really fun drawing to do. This vacation gave me some time that I don't usually have to kind of focus on things like drawing what I want to, which is a rarity these days. And so getting the chance to do that really just kind of made my vacation even more special than it already was, getting to hang out with family. Hope that you had a very Merry Christmas and a very happy holidays, of course, but take the time to do stuff that you want to do. You can find yourself drawing an awful lot for other people, and you lose touch of why maybe you started drawing in the first place, especially when you're busy. And things have gotten slower these days for me in my drawing for other people, which has actually been kind of nice because then I can focus on having fun, and people really like that design. But it's as simple as creating a pattern and then just applying it to the pants. But it's totally worth it. Give it a shot yourself. Work on some patterns. And I don't focus on warping things around clothing or whatever. Actually, if you watch a lot of animes, they don't do it either, and it just gives a nice little effect. Once again, when it comes to the shading details, I did a different technique than I usually do. Usually I keep my shading very, very simple. I don't do any dodging. I don't do any highlighting or burning. Burning and dodging is the terms that are used for this. But I did these times, and they're turning out really, really cool. I have a few more graphics I'll show you before we get back to our normal sketch lessons. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my life while we do these little videos here and there. And just thanks for being along the ride with me as we have reached 12,500 subscribers, close to 600 subscribers at the time of this video. So love you guys very much. Hope that you have a great 2019. We got more videos coming your way, of course. And don't forget, if you find yourself with a free moment, please consider taking a look at my Facebook page, facebook.com/Tim Lee Michael. I also have a really busy Instagram that I'd love for you to check out, instagram.com/Tim_Lee_Michael. Please check those out and follow me, especially on Instagram. I've been really enjoying doing a lot of photography over there, and would love to share that with you guys. All right, that's going to do it. If you do like photography stuff, though, you got to check out my other channel, Legacy Studio. Look it up. There's some really cool reviews on there, and me playing with my fun cameras. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.